Girl, when I tell you, this is the best AliExpress hair that I purchased so far. This hair is from Longqi hair. I know a couple of people say it differently, Longqi. I'm gonna say Longqi. That's what I'm gonna go with for today. Yeah, so this hair is from Longqi hair. This is the Cambodian version hair, Cambodian curly. And I have the lengths 24, 22, 20, 18, and an 18-inch closure. Now, you guys, so far, I know it may be a little too early to you know, make a verdict, but so far I am loving this hair, you guys. As soon as I purchased the hair, they contacted me to make sure that I got the right lengths, that I got the right texture, and you know, if I was going for a certain look, this is how many bundles they would recommend. So it was pretty cool. I really liked their customer service and how they, you know, made sure my address was correct and make sure my name on the packaging was correct. They just went to some lengths to just make sure everything is correct. Okay, so let's talk about when I first got the hair. When I first got the hair, it was in the baggies, you know, just like typical AliExpress. It did not have a smell like a foul odor. It did have a smell though, you know, like if you guys ordered hair from AliExpress before, or ordered hair from any vendor, because I've noticed this not only with AliExpress vendors but just with hair vendors in general, there is a specific hair scent. You know, I think it's kind of like a generic thing when you're buying from these companies. I don't know what it is, but there was like, you know, a scent, but it wasn't a foul odor or anything, nothing terrible. So yeah, it just came in the packaging and the little hair nets and stuff. They gave me free lashes, which was cute. And yeah, that was pretty much it. That was all that came into my packaging. Or that's all that came in their packaging. So after that, I think within like a couple days, I made a unit. So right here, what's on my head right now, this is a unit. And as of right now, it's actually sewn to my head, which is the first time I've ever sewn any AliExpress hair to my head, because usually, you know, I'm very adamant about making units so, you know, I could pop them on, pop them off, but I had an event to go to, so I actually did sew it down, and it's been sewed down for about 4 days now. So this is how long I've had the hair installed in my head, and I've been going to sleep with it and everything. So I'm kind of scared. I'm hoping that this hair holds on and like keeps pushing, because I really love this hair so much. But yeah, that's kind of like the details of how I've been wearing this hair. I've just been waking up, spritching some water on it and just combing it out with my hands, and boom, boom, boom. That's that. So like I said, I had it in for 4 days. It is currently sewn down to my head. Let's talk about shedding. Now this hair is 24 inches. Hold on, y'all need to see this. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like. Goes all the way to pretty much my butt crack. This is very long hair. This is probably the longest hair I've ever had, and I'm so glad that this is the hair that I did it with, because so far, I mean, I know it's only been 4 days, but usually when I get AliExpress hair, when you've been getting it for as long as I have, there's certain tell signs, you know. So shedding. Now y'all saw how long this hair is, okay? So obviously, and it's curly hair, all right? So obviously you're going to expect shedding. I'm gonna tell you guys, I did the fold over method with my tracks in the back. I think I only cut it at the top, but it was only like 1 or 2 times, so I didn't cut it that much, and I did not seal my wefts. So that is a factor in playing with shedding and whatnot. When I first got the hair, I ran my fingers through it. I don't even think I got a strand. Like, I did not get a strand. It was so good that I got no shedding, but you know, I knew that shedding was gonna happen. It's inevitable. It's gonna happen regardless. So today is the 4th day that I'm wearing the hair, as I said, and this is the first day I've gotten shedding. And even when I did get the shedding, it wasn't like huge clumps. It was just like 4 to 6 strands. It wasn't anything OD. Now, one thing I don't do, I'll tell you guys, I do not like constantly rake my hands through my hair. I don't do all that, especially because it's curly hair. You want to let it be, girl. Just let it be. Just Just treat her good and just spritz some stuff on it. You'll be good, girl. Just let it be. Let it be. So, yeah, the shedding doesn't. I just started getting shedding today, and it's nothing major. So I'm not gonna be like, oh, this hair is terrible. Blah 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 blah. What else? Oh, the ends on this hair. The ends on the hair, they aren't very thick, but they aren't thin either. You know, they're natural. One thing that I was skeptical about is you guys, you know, you heard how I said I have the 24, 22, and so I was pretty scared about getting those staggered lengths because I know sometimes, depending on the vendor, they're not really true to length, so it looks choppy. This hair is true to length. It may even be a little bit longer. I don't even know. But this hair is so long. It is true to length. I'm very pleased that the texture of the closure matched the texture of the bundles.
This is the DJ Flux beat. Flux beat. Flux beat. Bad man, we just rebel. Outside and fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but you know from the first time I see you, love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I would fall for you, you got to know that everyone falls. Outside and fell so deep, baby. Outside want you for me, baby. Outside want you for me, baby.
Hey you guys, so welcome back to my channel. Forewarning, I apologize, it's hot, okay, it's like 93 plus degrees, so I have like my mini cooler right here because it's hot, so y'all bear with me, it's not going to be a long video. Anyway, so I am back and, hold up, I'm chewing gum. Okay. So, I am here to put you guys on and update you on this Longqi hair. If you guys are new to my channel, hi. First of all, go back and look. About a year ago, I uploaded a video on this hair. And this hair is the Longqi hair Cambodian curly. Right? I don't remember all the inches, but I believe it was like a 24, 22, 22, and a 18 closure. But anyway, so everything that I said back then was true. And you know, I love the hair, I love the curl. And I said, I think like the bundles would last a good minute, but I'm not quite sure about the closure. So I've been wearing that hair. I wore that hair for a couple months after. That was like my go-to hair for a good minute. So I decided to pull it back out and wear it for you guys and show you guys what it's still looking like right now a year later. So I like the way that it looked. I was gonna go to sleep, but I was like, nah, let me show you guys how it looks like. So a little background, this is not the same wig. This is constructed in a similar way, but the wig that I had before, I really loved the hair, but since it was so big, I don't know, I guess, and because I sewed so close to the edge and through the elastic band in the dome cap, I think it limited stretch, and so the wig would give me headaches. So even though the hair was gorgeous, it just kind of discouraged me from wearing it because of the cap. I mean, no, I would still wear it, but I'd be uncomfortable. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna remake it. So I remade the wig. I didn't use as much hair, but it's still full. So this is what it looks like. Let me fix my necklace. I do not like when my necklaces are like this. Anyway, so this is the hair, so you guys can see the curl pattern. If you guys like this necklace, I will link it down below. Africa necklace, shameless plug. Anyway, so this is what it looked like. Look at my hang time. Look at my hang time. And I can't put it in a bun because it's a wig. Anyway, so yes, you guys, this is what it looks like now. So let me give you some just recent updates on the hair. So I told you guys I made this into put it on a different dome cap, which was good. It's still a little bit small. I don't know. I'm used to working with frontals, so I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. But anyway, that has nothing to do with the hair, so I'm gonna keep going on. But the bundles are still, you guys see, it's so soft. I made the wig. It was a little rusty and crusty, I'm not even gonna lie, because I did just keep wearing it, spraying it in with water, which is what you do need to do. However, it needed some love, so I washed it, I conditioned it, and this is what the curls came out like. They just look so good. They're so soft, and you see it's so like defined. I really like that. Now, I know this, all of it looks good because, you know, your girl know what she's doing. But one thing that really annoyed me about this hair, and I told you guys, was the closure. The closure I got from the same company. I did not buy it from anywhere else. I did not try to match the texture to the frontal. No, it was a bundle deal with the closure. So this closure came from Longqi, and so did this hair, and it was both said Cambodian curly. However, this curl pattern is not as defined and is not as curly as the bundles, and it gets frizzy so quick, you guys. It gets frizzy so quick. This hair, like the bundled hair, does not get frizzy as quick as this, so you're definitely gonna have to keep like wetting it like every day. Yeah, but I mean, for a year it's not that bad, and for the price it's not that bad. Just like kind of make sure that you don't fidget with it too much. Yeah, just make sure that you don't fidget with it too much, and you should be good. But I know the closure, it needs a lot more help than the bundles. So maybe like I may try to put some gel on it to try to tame the frizz. I don't know, but the curls are still there. It's just not necessarily as, you know, uniform and as, you know, defined, shiny, and sleek. You know what I'm saying? Even though it's curly hair, I want it to be a little sleeker. Because I don't, yeah, like, I don't want super puffy hair. Where am I not for that? But anyway, so that was the main thing for me, was this closure. And also, 1 second. So, I told y'all beforehand, I told y'all in my last video that this hair sheds. I mean, but it's long hair, it's a lot of hair. So, I saved the hair. This is how much hair shed. This is how much hair shed from this wig. I think that was pretty much it for this video. I just wanted it to be super quick, super short, super, you know, detailed. Y'all know how I do it. I try to make sure I give you guys as much information as possible in the shortest amount of time as possible. So, yes, overall, would I buy this hair again? I would, because it's a year, and this is not a wig that I wore once or twice. I was wearing this wig religiously. I even had it sewn down to my head a couple times. So this hair has gone through a lot, and for it to look like the way that it looks right now, and for me to be able to, you know, it's curly hair, so I don't want to run my fingers through it, but I could if I wanted to. And so this hair, probably, I mean, I honestly, I don't know if I would really recommend the closure, but the bundles for sure. If you want to, like, I would recommend this hair for a sew-in. I think this hair would do really well in a sew-in, only because, like I said, I sewed it down to my head for a good, like, it's been sewn down to my head for a good couple of months, as I had this hair. So it looks really good. I'm really happy with it. So yeah, overall I would buy this hair again. Thank you guys so much for watching this video.